Hey everyone, a warm welcome to all again in this channel, Byte Branding. In today's video, we will cover what topics are covered in digital marketing. Basically, digital marketing covers a wide range of topics and strategies aimed at promoting products, services, or brands online. Key topics include search engine optimization, or SEO, involves techniques to improve a website's visibility on search engines like Google through organic search results. Search engine marketing, or SEM, includes paid advertising strategies on search engines, including pay-per-click campaigns like Google Ads. Content marketing is all about creating and distributing valuable content, such as blogs, videos, and infographics to attract and engage a target audience. Social media marketing, promoting brands on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok through organic and paid strategies. Email marketing, using email to communicate with prospects and customers, offering personalized content and promotions. Affiliate marketing, partnering with individuals or businesses, also known as affiliates, to promote products and earning a commission on sales generated through their efforts. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers who have large followings to promote products or services to their audience. Online reputation management, or ORM, is all about managing a brand's online image by addressing customer feedback, reviews, and public relations. Conversion rate optimization, often referred to as CRO, involves techniques to increase the percentage of visitors who take a desired action on a website, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Analytics and data interpretation, using tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and other platforms to measure performance and optimize campaigns. Mobile marketing, marketing strategies specifically aimed at mobile users, including app marketing, SMS marketing, and mobile-optimized content. Video marketing, using video content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok to engage audiences and promote products or services. E-commerce marketing, strategies to drive sales and grow revenue through online shopping platforms, including retargeting, abandoned cart strategies, and special offers. Programmatic advertising, automated bidding on advertising space in real time, using software and algorithms to target specific audiences. Voice search optimization, optimizing content for voice search on devices like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. These topics offer a comprehensive foundation for digital marketing strategies, helping businesses reach and engage their target audiences more effectively.